Jai Hind everyone, we are Euphoria, or on this great day of the World Responsible Youth Day, we're all we are very excited to be here and speak to all of you and tell you that it's very important for the youth of the world to understand and take initiatives in all forms of life that we know, in maybe politics, in sport, in day-to-day life, in the economy of this country, in the running of this country. The youth has to step forward. India being maybe the youngest nation in the whole world, and having the maximum number of youths in our population, to step forward and take initiatives and do something for our country. This is it's very important that if we do something for our country, we do something for the entire world.
Do something for the people, in terms of forwarding education, in terms of forwarding knowledge.
It's important that the youth definitely take the initiative, and we as people who sing for all of you and who are known to be maybe the biggest rabble rousers amongst the youth of this country, we would really we would tell you, and we would literally plead with you to come forward and take the initiative and take the step forward. There's one more thing that comes to my mind, which is that every time we always look at the system and we say that this is wrong and that is wrong. But I've read somewhere, and Mahatma Gandhi said that if you want to see the change, then be the change yourself.
I think we as Euphoria believe that when all else is lost, it is hope and hope alone that shows us the way and gives us the will to live. I don't want to sound disillusioned on our part, and at the same time we respect what our elders have done, what people have done to bring us to this point, but I believe, and I believe my brothers here firmly believe the same thing, that it is no longer their responsibility alone. They've done their bit, but it is on our shoulders to take it forward. Rather than being disillusioned with the system, let's just change it. Let's just be the ones to do it, and I think only the youth possess the energy to do so.
ये हम सब की जिम्मेदारी बनती है. I think we all support this cause.
Yeah, like he said, youth is the way forward, youth is the pulse of the nation, and I think that is what is going to drive us towards a better future as a country.
If it's a better country, it's going to be a better world. We as Euphoria, and we, as Ashwini said, we firmly believe one thing, that more than the fact that we bring music to everybody's lives as entertainers and as people who bring happiness to all of you, we also would like all of you to understand that we are a voice of a generation that we represent, and this generation not only has great dreams and hopes, it has great energy, and definitely we would like to learn from the mistakes of the past and make sure that the future generations don't make those mistakes again.